Presenting rockerz 255 Pro Plus in-ear headphone that delivers an immersive audio experience on the go. This wireless headphone comes with an inbuilt mic with Qualcomm CVC for a superior hands-free calling experience. It comes with a 300 mAh battery that provides playback time of up to 40 hours. Its ASAP fast charging technology gives you a full charge in just 1 hour and a 10-hour playback time in just 10 minutes charge. rockerz 255 Pro Plus neckband headphone has been ergonomically designed for a comfortable fit. The magnetic earbuds makes it easy to store and carry when not in use. It is IPX7 rated to offer protection against sweat and water scares. This Bose headphone comes with 10 drivers that deliver HD sound with super extra bass to enhance your movie watching or music playback experience. It comes with Bluetooth connectivity with dual pairing option. Bose rockerz 255 Pro Plus comes with integrated multifunction controls with single press voice assistant. The headphone is available in active black, navy blue and teal green color variants. Inside the box, you will get rockerz 255 Pro Plus headphone, user manual, warranty card and Type-C charging cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Okay, well, she's gonna have to talk to Bob because when I was talking